Welcome to Wesley world.
You're so cute.
Cheese.
All right, Wesley. What toy did you pick out today?
This spear setter.
This is called a backhoe loader.
Backhoe loader.
This is by, I think, Driven. Yes, Driven. They've got a whole bunch of different tractors and trucks. But Wesley picked the backhoe loader today. And you're so excited to open it, huh? So excited!
Yes!
You got it!
Yes! We got it!
Yay! Alright, should we take this to the sand and start scooping?
Yeah!
Let's go play! Alright, let's start digging. Cozy warm.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the sand is soft and warm. Under there in the dirt.
There. Toys. There.
You want to take off your boots?
This is for wood. Ah, for wood.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
Alright, let's
Let's
start digging.
Whoa!
Dang. Can you show us how it works?
Yeah.
Okay, show me how it works. Oh, that thing moves back and forth.
Look.
Dang, that's cool. And can you turn it too?
Like that.
Oh, and it turns left and right?
It does enough with and the sand comes out and it
Awesome, that's cool.
Yeah, we'll do this. Mommy, try it?
Mommy, try it.
Yeah. Look.
Is it pretty easy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Does this backhoe loader make any noises?
Yeah, look. And it's working.
Okay, push the button.
Huh?
Push the button.
Mommy, to push the button.
Is there a button right here?
No.
Alright, the wheels are made of rubber. And the door's open and there's a little seat. Little seat right in there. This is pretty cool.
Door open.
The other door opens. What color is it, Wesley?
Yellow and red and this yellow and red
And gray.
and gray. Awesome! We did it,
What is that, a rock?
yeah.
Did you dig up a rock?
Look, right there. Yeah.
Dig, dig, dig. So this is the backhoe loader. All right, Wesley. Say thank you for watching, friends.